Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name is Christine, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the Deco Metallix Gels. Now these gels come in 6 different colors that you can see here, and I made a sample where you can see them actually out. So I'm going to put these aside. So here they are done, and you can see they have a really nice sheen. Now there's the white pearl, which this would be really pretty, obviously, if you did it on a colored background. Here I just used the one sheet for all, so it's a white. Champagne mist is that nice between the pure gold and the white pearl. It just has that soft sort of gold color. Then we get into pure gold. Here we have the aged copper, the glazed pewter, and then finally the black ice. Now this stencil, in case you were wondering, it's actually supposed to go like this, and it's called the macrame stencil by the Crafters Workshop, and I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. Now the other thing I want to talk about is this paper I used. I've had this paper for a while, and I didn't actually open the package, and when I did, I was pleasantly surprised. It's this paper here. It's called Mixed Media Sheets, Lightweight and Heavyweight. This is the heavyweight, and it is from Thermoweb, and it's different. It's more, you can see it's almost, it's not a fabric, but it just has that pliableness to it that you can like sew with it and ink it and do stuff. So I'm going to play around with it. I just looked. It is currently available through the Thermoweb shop, but you may have difficulties finding it on some of the other sites. But I'm going to play with them in an upcoming video and test to see everything it does. But it's a really interesting paper. They suggest using it too for like book bindings and or making books and that. So I'm going to play, see what happens. But if you were looking for a different type of paper, in the meantime, you might want to check it out, the Mixed Media Sheets from iCraft from Thermoweb. But let's get back to our demo. So this is that macrame stencil I was just talking about. And for the demo, I'm going to use aged copper. And you can see when you open it how thick it is. Thick and creamy and has that nice sheen to it. So then when I pick it up, you can see like this is thick stuff going on here. So like you do any, if you've used molding paste or whatever in the past, you just put it on a palette knife and you just work it through your stencil. And as you do it, it's nice to scrape off that extra. You don't want to be wasting it, and then you can put it in another area. So you can see how much coverage I got with that bit I took out. And then here's my paper towel. I'm just going to wipe off that on my paper towel. And then we're going to release. And beautiful. So even though this was a really small stencil with little bits, it holds its shape, and when it dries, it will have that really nice, smooth, shiny sheen to it. So this is great for all projects, but coming up into the holidays, you might want to add accents with this and just add a little bit of that holiday metallic to your cards you might be making. So that is the Deco Metallix Gel, and this one was aged copper. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.